So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it and then click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the Microsoft .NET Framework Repair Tool. Scroll down, choose your language and then click on download. Once it's been downloaded, you want to click on it and then click on yes and then tick the box and click on next. Just wait for this to load and then click on next again. Wait for this to load. It should now be saying changes complete. You can now try to reinstall .NET Framework 4.5, see if that works. If that's still not working, then click on next. Just wait for this to load. Once that's been done, hopefully it would have found the issue and the problem should be fixed. You should now be able to reinstall it.